Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about euro against dollar. This is a very interesting video. You will make so much money if you watch this video till the end for free, by the way, okay? And I hate myself for giving this to you for free, so you will understand what I'm saying after watching the whole video. So if you're new to the channel, do your exercise, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, okay? These options are for you, not for myself. I can't subscribe to my own channel. I hope you know that, right? I'm giving you thousands of dollars of information for free. Subscribe, like, share. That is your responsibility, not mine. Below the video, you'll find some links. It says join free Telegram channel. Go and join it. It's free. Check out the brokers and the prop firm here. Sign up and start trading if you're not trading as of now. Okay, sign up with them. Check out these links. Subscribe, like, all free. Coming back to Euro USD. Okay, starting with the top down weekly. Before we do the analysis, let me tell you that since last 10 days I had been watching videos from other YouTubers. They're big YouTubers, big traders, millionaires, private jet life, okay, and they had been saying euro is gonna go down. They had been saying this since last 10 days. Euro is gonna go down, and since last 10 days I had been saying no, euro is gonna go up, okay. But today I'm saying now euro is gonna go down starting Monday, okay. So that is why this video is very crucial for you. So weekly, we have taken the pullback. Then we went up this week. Okay, now we are still in the uptrend in weekly, but weekly doesn't make sense. What's gonna happen on Monday, right? So let's get back to daily here. In daily, you know what? I can clearly see it's a trend reversal. I don't know if you can spot it or not. I will not tell you purposely what is giving me the signal that it's a trend reversal. I'm not gonna tell you, on purpose. Okay, because why would I tell you everything fully worth for thousands of dollars? Okay, yes, but I will tell you in daily chart, it's a trend reversal. So, euro is going to go down starting Monday. Okay, coming back to 4-hour here. In 4-hour, what do we have? In 4-hour, we have, made a new high. Okay, so it will either take a pullback. Okay, now when I come back to Delhi and I say it's a trend reversal, for me, trend reversal does not mean that now we are going to go down all the way. I'm not talking about going down all the way. I'm talking about medium term trend reversal. That could be until this EMA. Starting from Monday, we can go down. We might touch down this EMA and then we might pull back. Okay, or else we might break below the EMA and continue the downtrend. Okay, but for now, what you need to know is that we are going to go into the downtrend from Monday onwards. Okay, and the proof is right here in 4-hour as well. In 4-hour, we have completed the uptrend, so it's time for a pullback. After the pullback, wait for the confirmation blue candle, then only enter buy. Otherwise, it might go down. I'm telling you right now, it might continue going down, okay? But if it has to go up, then let the pullback happen. Then wait for the confirmation, this blue candle, and then only enter buy, okay? But I'm not telling you on purpose, but I can clearly see the trend reversal in daily chart, okay? That's all I have for you. So be careful before you enter long on Monday. And one more thing, on Monday, you have this holiday, GBP holiday and US holiday, okay? London is off. New York is off, so make sure you avoid or maybe trade as per your experience. Okay, so Monday is both markets off, London and this US. So I think you can keep an eye on the market and not trade on Monday. Okay, but trend reversal is about to come in euro, and that trend reversal means going down maybe until EMA or maybe crossing below. I don't know, the time will tell, but we are definitely going down. Okay, 4-hour is also the same, saying the same thing, that this trend is over, this uptrend is over. Now it's time for pullback. After the pullback, I have to notice if it will break the EMA and close below in 4-hour, or we'll just have a rejection from the EMA and then continue the uptrend. So time will tell. We'll make a video on Tuesday about this. And but yeah, I have the confirmation from daily chart. We are going down. So if you like what you see, subscribe and share the video and do all of that. Check out these links. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.